at it again. Yeah, gorgeous. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm happy when all these goodies come with any wig. You guys, you know, if you're an OG, nothing gives me joy more than this. So that is the hair we'll be revealing today, is from ULAHAIR. This wig is 3D 13x6 glueless bob wig. You hear me? Glueless. The wig is glueless and it's 180 density, not bleached. They bleached the knots already for you and they pre-plucked the lace frontal for you. There is nothing that gives me more joy than when everything comes like this. It gives me joy because you guys know I am lazy. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody. Just look at the hairline and they bleach the knots. I am so happy because going through that stress, I don't like it. It gives me headaches. So when I see any wigs that come like that comes like this, I am always happy. And the texture of the hair is everything. Is so soft. And big bob, oh guys, I'm in for bob these days because you guys know, you know why. There's nothing that gives me more joy when a brand send a note with an order. Oh, I am happy. At least appreciate your customers. Just appreciate them. This is so kind of them. Let's just pop the wig on. Like I said, you don't need glue. You don't need gel. You don't need anything, whatever you can call it to glue this hair down. So you just cut the excess lace from it and you are done, okay? Because you don't need any other thing to do. Just cut it and you're good to go. So I'm going to leave the link of this unit on the description box, so check it out, okay? If you're interested, don't hesitate because you're going to love this hair. All right. So now that I've cut the excess lace, I think I'm just going to brush it down, use my hot comb, pass through it, and that is it. Then you see that the lace is a little bit whiter than my skin tone. Then I'm going to use a powder of my skin tone, blend that, and that is it. My hair is ready. I am ready to go and pop. I am ready to go and dance. I am ready to go and do my shakara with this hair. All right guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. If you like it here, you know this song, subscribe, okay? Subscribe. Thank you so much for doing that. I appreciate. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.